Hello dear guys, today I have published a new video for you. Those who are interested to know narration speech, direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. I have published my another video for you. You can visit my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel along with Facebook. I have published my video chronologically relating to English grammar, especially by this time I am discussing narration, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech. During this crisis period, I hope that my video will be helpful to the students, those who are staying at home and out of education. So, we should not waste our time. Let us discuss the sentences. Number 1, direct speech. Mother said to me, "Why are you not listening to me?" It is imperative interrogative sentence, so repeating verb said will be changed into asked. Mother asked me why I was not listening to her. There is interrogative sentence and WH question why will be relative pronoun. WHY why it is WH question and interrogative pronoun. It will be changed at relative pronoun. Why? So why will not be changed? Mother said to me, it will be mother asked me. It is interrogative sentence, so said to will be changed into asked. Mother asked me, why will be why, it will be same because it is WS. You second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb me. Me object, you subject. So me will be changed into nominative case I subject. You I, so me will be I. Are not listening to me, it is continuous present continuous tense. It will be correspondent continuous tense, past continuous tense. I was not listening to her. Me first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb mother. So there will be her within bracket mother. Next two, direct speech. The head teacher said to the students, "Do you work by this time?" Do the work by this time. The head teacher said to the students, "Do the work by this time." It is imperative sentence, not interrogative sentence. If there is verb at the first stage or the initial and there is no note of interrogation, it will be imperative sentence. So, imperative sentence said to will be changed into advised and there will be conjunction to omitting inverted comma. So, what will be? The teacher said to the students, "Do the work by this time." It will be the teacher advised the student to do the work by that time. This time will be that time because we know nearest word will be farthest word. So, this, that, this, now, then, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, etc. Next number. Number 3, direct speech. I said to the girl, "Listen to me what I say." Listen to me what I say. It is imperative sentence. So, what will be? I advise the girl to listen to me what I said. Next, direct speech. I say to the girl, listen to me what I say. What will be? I say to the girl to listen to me what I say. Me will not be changed because me first tense, me first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verbs I. So there will be me after to, there is objective case. So what will be? I say to the girl, listen to me what I say. I advise the girl to listen to me what I said. Say will be said, correspondent tense, because said to past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense. Number 4, direct speech. The man says to her, how old are you? The man asks her how old she is. The tense will not be changed because the reporting verb is present indefinite tense. So the verb of reported speech will not be changed. Only the person case gender will be changed according to the rules. So the man asks her how old she is. You, second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb her. Her will be she because you is subject. So her will be subject she. Nominative case she. Direct speech. They say to us, please help us. Imperative sentence. So said to will be requested. There is please kindly. If there is please kindly, it will be the said to will be changed into requested. They requested us to help them. Us first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb they. So us objective case, they will be objective case them. So what will be? They said to us, please help me, help us. What will be? They requested us to help them. Okay. So dear students and viewers, those who are interested to follow my channel, K Mondal YouTube channel, Digital English Class, I have already published many videos relating to law subject. Those who are law student, you can visit my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel. You will find my lecture and videos. And now the coronavirus period, most of the students are suffering. They are suffering from the crisis of education. So I am trying to help them. You are advised to follow my next video and visit my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel. I hope that you will be beneficial by reading my channel and by watching my channel and hearing my lecture and watching my video. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.